You're welcome to my channel. I am OT Josh, and in this video I'll be doing trade based on volume and price analysis. So I'm doing a put trade here. Why? Because I am using a higher time frame, so I already know what's going on within the 5 minutes time frame. I can see that the 5 minutes time frame, the sellers are coming in from this Bollinger Band. You can see sellers are coming in from this Bollinger Band. So I did a put trade there because I believe price is going to go down. That's how we work with higher time frame using volume and price analysis. So let's wait and see how it's going to close. And for the ebook, this is the ebook. I have been working on it. It's not been easy, like I told you. I had to start again because the concepts were getting complicated. I didn't want it to be too much for you guys. Although I have not finished with it, I am still working on it. We have setups, we have how to read this trend, how to read the global trend, how to read the EMAs and the Bollinger Band and all of that. You can see them, how to read candlestick patterns. There are so many of them, but then once I'm done with them to my satisfaction, you can see how to read the EMA and all of it. Once I'm done with it, I'll let you guys know about it. So let's go on with our trade. I'm done with this trade already. Okay, let me explain. You can see all of these concepts in the ebook, whereby you get an anomaly, you get a validation, and then you trade. So why I took this trade is simple. So we have these three candlesticks, this candlestick and this candlestick were valid. So this should be a call trade. As you can see, the price was going up, the price was falling, and so volume was falling. But you see, this candle came was bigger than this previous candle, but what we saw was the volume was smaller. So this is an alarm bell. You see, this candlestick and this volume is showing that this uptrend is no longer as strong as we are seeing it. So with that, we got this candlestick whereby buyers and sellers struggled. You see, buyers struggled here, sellers struggled here. So now we see that this candlestick is a neutral candlestick. It's not a bullish, it's a bullish candlestick, but the pressure is neutral because this previous candlestick has already shown, this previous candlestick here has already shown the entry of sellers, and this candlestick is showing more entry of sellers. So this high volume here is not for buyers, it's for both buying and selling, showing that there are activities trying to come up. And now the last candlestick we have is another strong candlestick, but yet it has a small volume. Look, another strong bullish candlestick, yet it has a small volume. And not just that, the Bollinger Band, well, you'll see this in the ebook, the Bollinger Band is showing us that this candlestick is in an overbought area. For this candlestick to break out from this band, it shows that it's in an overbought area. This is not a total breakout. And so at least since it's an overbought area, it will have to retrace back down to the 1 deviation Bollinger Band or the middle Bollinger Band before it continues going up. And so I saw this as an opportunity, and then I did the put trade. So that was why I did that trade there. I hope you understand this. Okay, now you see it's coming back down. It came to the 1 deviation, it went up, but now it's coming back again. So what I want to do now is to check for my 5 minutes and see what we have here, and then I get a setup so that I can use. Now you see the 5 minutes volume is falling. You see the 5 minutes volume is falling, so we cannot trade with this volume. I want to see a high volume. Anytime I see a high volume that shows that there is activity within the previous 5 minutes, what I'll do is I'll mark. For instance, if this volume was high, I'll come here and mark here, and I'll come here and I'll mark what here. Now I'll wait for price to come down to any of this level or any of this level, and then I'll look for the price action that will tell me that price is going to come down, or price is from up, price is going to come down, or from bottom, price is going to go up. This is the kind of price action I'm looking for, or maybe a breakout. And you know, if this is a support and this is a resistance for the 5 minutes, for the 1 minute it will be a supply and it will be a demand. You understand? Okay, now you see this is a demand zone. Now you can see this candlestick, demand candlestick. You can see it's going up from here. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm trying to say, but now I want the volume to be high. I hope you understand the concept that I'm trying to tell you. If you can use this concept, then you'll find out that whenever you switch to your higher time frame, like the 5 minutes, and you see a high volume, and you mark those, the high and the low, come back to your 1 minute time frame and wait for setup to occur only at this extreme here and here. You can do this, and every 5 minutes when you see this, you can be getting 1 ITM each, and that is a fact. You can make good profit from it. I already made about $170. So I've been doing my own personal trades. I just thought I should tell you about the ebook. I will be done with it very soon. I will be done with it. You can see it, it's coming. It will be coming out soon. So once I'm done with it, I'll let you guys know. So for this will be this for now. In our next video, when I'm done with the ebook, I'll be taking trade based on those setups on the ebook, so you can understand what we are doing. Okay, so until next time, bye bye.